Hello friends, welcome everyone to our new OG YouTube channel. So let's begin with it. Today we are going to talk about that what is OBS and what is Streamlab OBS. So today we are going to talk about which is best and better than OBS and Lab Stream. So today we are going to talk about which one is best, which is going to be used for the best purpose, or which software has the best features compared with OBS and Streamlab. So let's begin with it. If you are new in our YouTube channel, so today we are going to talk about in this topic, and let's see in the practical way that how it is better than OBS and Streamlab. So first of all, may I tell you one thing? If we are talking about the Lab Stream, so it is best features and capacity more than OBS. OBS is a one kinds of that oldest version of OBS. It is a open source software for the live streaming. So today we are going to see here that how it is going to work, what are the advantages of OBS Streaming Lab and what are the OBS. So let's we talk about the something, and at last we are going to see the practical of such all things. So you can see here these all are the practicals contents of the OBS, and at last we are going to tell you that which software is best for the live streaming here. So when you are going to use the live streaming software, that is a best platform for which one you have to choose, whether a OBS or a Streamlab OBS. So let's begin with it. Today we are going to talk about something innovative about the open source software. So let's start with this. So first, today I'm going to show you here. First of all, there is a OBS. OBS means that it is an open software for the purpose of open broadcaster softwares, which we mainly use to try for the live streaming purpose. So what we are doing evenly when we are using the OBS Studio, so the features is not more much compared with the Streamlab. So one thing more, when I'm working on the Streamlab and OBS, I have found that OBS is only special for the live streaming, only which you are going to be held on the system, laptops and devices. If you are touching the live concert, or I'm tell you, if you are just doing the live in the huge concert, or just I am saying that it is a high level concert, high editings, so we get the features that is available on the Streamlab only. So for that I'm just talking about such all things that I have just found here, that OBS is not better than Streamlab, because OBS is containing the less content, less features, less advantages, and high CPU recognition, means it is taking the high CPU storage compared with the in the Streamlab. If we will try to compare with the Streamlab to the OBS, so we find that here that OBS is a best, but it is not having the features, it's taking the huge CPU utilities, and it is not covering the whole sense. Let I talk you something about it. And when we are going to talk about the Streamlab, that is a best software. I just really tell and say to choose this software if you likes to see the interface of such all things. So let me show you now, because here everything is available, money making stream is available here. It is the very best, I feel to save here. And here it is a donation system, because it is a basically, because in many when I am saying that softwares, there is no any kinds of good interface. So here one thing is best is that when you are going to just log in your Streamlab, so you found the many features there. Like example, I'm going to tell you there are so much features which are going when I'm just logging, when I'm getting the, that is actually choose a custom domain, beautiful themes, professional email hosting, advantage of SEO, drag and drop modules, all your social website. Here you can be able to make your storage where you can just sell the just cup, shirts, pants on your tags, means you are just going to promote your tags here and your logos. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go in the Chrome. Here you have to search the Streamlab. After the searching the Streamlab, here you have to here is the option is there, login YouTube. If you are trying to working as a YouTube, so you just try to use the login YouTube. If you're trying to use the Facebook, so you just try to use the Facebook, and as you wish. But I have just mainly tried to use the YouTube, because I just like to do the live streaming basically on the YouTube. You can put the many features here with yourself also, how you can just make the tags, titles, everything here is available. Let's see now practically. So friends, may I tell you one thing, that first of all, that this is a very best platform compared with high level qualities, features compared with the OBS, and Streamlab is basically proper for the official work. I just suggest the Streamlab. It's an open source software. It is freely available on the internet. If you feel the donate something, so you can be able to donate it. Okay, so here I am going to start you. I have told you about the OBS studio. It is not that much sufficient to work for the any live streaming as a complete stage. Okay, so I am talk to you about the streaming lab. So I am now going to show you practically about the Streamlab. So let's begin with it. First of all, I am going to show you that I am in live only. I think so you are all listening my voice here, and of course it is be a very best platform to work it. And today I am going to show you here many things, just like to be, you can just see here, edit your stream title and description. First of all, may I tell you one thing, that's first of all I have to show you the interface, how it is working here. Now see, first of all, your first step is you have to log in. If you cannot be able to log in from here, or whether you just directly log in from the Google, if you are logging from Google, so you will get the many more features, like I am telling you, like you can hear themes is available here, cloud boots are available here, storage are available here, dashboard is available here, studio mode is available here, logout is here, setting is available here. You can see the 29% to CPU utilization, working process of your system, how the speed is going on. Here is the cloud, what you are just making there, that will save on the cloud server, and whether it is a Facebook, YouTube, whether anything. Here is a set widgets are there. In such ways, your subscribers are there, memberships are there, donations are there, super chats are there. These all are available here also. So you can just find here. Here's a recording. If you are feeling that you don't want to do the live streaming, and all the, or directly I can say the scene is going on in the front of you, you are doing the live streaming, in just middle of that you find that something is going innovative type, so that situation I have to record also. So for that time you can be able to just click this button, record, and after recording you have to just stop this. Okay, this thing is there. If you want to schedule this stream, you can click here, you can able to schedule the stream very easily. You can just see here, and after all, at last you have to do the go streaming. But first of all, may I tell you one thing, this all I am telling about the actually menus. But first of all, what you have to do, here you have to create the scene. In this title you have to reach here you have to create the scene. First of all, may I just decrease this size, that then you can be able to understand easily. Yeah, here is the scene. First of all, you have to choose the scene here. You have to, for choosing the scene, you have to go in this plus menu, this icon, add a new sense. Here, after adding a new sense, that you have to click on this scene. After clicking on this scene, then you will find that another site source. Then what source you are going to apply on the screen? For that you have to go in this in this plus sign, plus icon. Here you have to click it. If you are choosing the image, so you choose the image, like I have chosen this image here. Audio input, it is working here. Audio input capture, it is working here. Display capture, it is working here. As requirement your wish, you can be able to choose here. Here is add a group, so you can move multiple source at the same time. If you are trying to here add the group, so you can just move multiple source at the same time. Okay, next thing here, I have completed here such all things. Here this is a switch to event menu. What it mean, that it is a one kind of dashboard, small dashboard, where you can able to see the activities which is going to be, like new subscriber is coming here, new like is coming here, comment is coming here, so you can be able to watch from here. There is a giveaway, what you are going to give the, if you are something is you are doing innovative, like you are testing someone, he is giving the best answer, so what you can give as like a gift. Live action means, here what is the live action means, you can just join the credits to giving them, and more much something else like credits, ping wheels, time rounding, time like showing the time that it is starting in the 3 to 4 minutes, so you can just able to put the videos or as a simple themes, it is inbuilt also. So there the users can see that in 30 minutes it is going to be start the program, like 30, 29, 28. It is as a like a switch machine, taking a switch watch. So this is a feature here, it is available. Like here you can see when you will click this icon, so it is directly available. So when you will see here, so here everything will mention what's the event, recent events are going on, like someone is commenting, someone is just subscribing. You can see here this all are just looking here. And if you are going to give the gifts, you are just merge custom any kind of and so here is like a spinning wheel, 30, 28, 29 credits for your giving, Streamlabs, the jar configurations. Then after all, just I am telling you, this is a mixer. Here you can be able to mix the voice. Here the setting is also there. You can be able to just see the how many types of here input output is there, so you can best able to adjust as like a yourself. You can also like work as a monitor. So these all things are there. You just make the just screen of that version. After all, just left such all things. Whether you have just seen here, stores are there. If you stores means here, if you are making your this is I think so, just I can spare you simply that this is a OJ logo. Okay, so you can just go in store, make your shirts and many things, cups, stay there. You can see your tags being be able to just tags here. That's such all kinds of there. There's no any kind of big things. And if you will go in this cloud boot, when here you will go into cloud boots, here you will see the best option for the just like the making the caps protection, symbol protection, link protection, word protection, means as like a whole here the like simply mod tools are present here. But don't forget to mod Streamlab by using your YouTube community setting. Many things is there. You see modules are there here, so much are modules are there, chat alert are there, commands are there, timelines, quits, queens are there, loyalty, stores, policy, betting are also there. You can just able to just put the betting also if you are feeling, giveaways there, just I have shown you. Okay, now we are just coming on the themes. Themes is inbuilt available in this such all field platforms. You can just work for this inbuilt also. Just simply choose the inbuilt feature and just put on your just main screen. And I'm going to show you this also. You can see here it is going to look like this when you are choosing such all themes. So it is also a best thing with themes, and many more are available here. Like it's like looking like this. You can change the color, royal, sport, any kinds of you thinking about it, you can choose from here. That is also a very here site themes are there also available as like a website themes. So you can just work on it. It's only just it is a best interface to give the interaction towards the user to feel better. Actually, now at last we are coming on the our main icon. This is our main dashboard of our editing, where we are just seeing it. Next thing is there, you can just also just be live chatting. So you can just you just have to, you are seeing this arrow option here, you have to click it, and here you will see when you are just signed with this such all things. So go to you just can see here there is a live streaming. If you are writing here, hi guys, so it will just showing on the public also. This is a very better thing. Top chat is there, you can just see live chat also there. All messages are available. Here's in top chat, actually what's going on, sample messages are not available, but when I am doing the live chat, so in live chat it means that all everything is be going to seen. So hi guys, how's you all? So this is going to seen by everyone. So there is no problem any kinds of it. And you can just send the smiley symbol also from here also. I mean, it's just like a live chat. There is a very best features for the live chat. I feel better to be using this platform as and this is and basically this best thing is that it is freely available. It is a open source software. You can just easily just use it, friends. And one thing more, that if you want to go in the setting also, so you can just able to reach to the dashboard also. Here this is a very best platform things. You directly just go to the dashboard here. From that you directly click from here, you just visit to your YouTube dashboard, example I'm telling you. You can just see here, it's a very best thing. And then after I'm just going to close it because I am just live in this one, and many more settings are open here. So this is there. Okay, so this thing is depend upon you which kinds of emoji you are going to just take. Okay, so this is the very best thing. And second thing is there, it is go to a YouTube to view your live streaming. When you will click here, so directly it will go to your YouTube channel to just see the live streaming. Edit your stream title and description from here. You can just edit your description and title here if you are thinking that something is wrong, so you can just manage from here only. You don't have to go back and again. And here you can watch how many viewers are watching you. This is thing is there, and very best platform. I have thinking that it's the very best, and hope it is a very I think you are be also likeable this platform. And one thing more is there. After that you have to close it from their keyboard symbol is there, so that is also a very best thing. And if I'm trying to tell about you something, that if you want to just close this, so again you have to go just beside of here, you have to close it. And simply what you have to do it here, you just see here this if you are trying to work in the public area, so there you can just choose the studio mode. Also in studio mode you can be able to work as like this. Here is the editing area, here is a live streaming area. Here what you have to do, simply you have to work for it. And one thing basically which I have not tell you, that is a very biggest thing, that if you want to take the key from YouTube, so you have to paste it here. You have to go in stream, you have to choose the streaming service. In service you have to choose the YouTube, and here server you have to choose primary YouTube investigator, and stream key you have to put here, and you have to apply done. Then only you are going to start your live streaming. So from where we get the stream key, let I show you one thing more. It is a very important thing, otherwise you cannot be able to work for this. So you here this is our YouTube channel. When you are going to video manager, here live streaming, when you are going to live streaming, here option is showing on, just see here in just below stream name key. So when you are seeing here stream name key, you have to check this, but don't show this anybody. So here you have to just click the reveal button. When you will see the reveal button, so it will just appear here. You have to copy all the keys in complete way. You have to copy all one, and you have to paste where. Again you have to go in your Streamlab setting, then again you have to go in stream, and you have to put here in stream key. Then you have to click OK. Then after all, at last you will start the go live streaming. Here go live. So at last you will find that you will live here. It will show it automatically started in 1 to 2 second live. Okay, but here internet connection is be always fast, because it is be very useful, because if you are not choosing the internet fast, so it will make be problem just like of buffering, latency problems, such all problems is going to occur. So there is no any kinds of problem if you're feeling better. Second thing is that I am going to tell you, if you want to watch your things, if you are just doing the live, so what you have to do one thing more, that you can able to put something here. So let I show you one thing, that if you want to do the donation in my account, so for that I can just put the donation also. So for that donation I have to what to have to do, I just to click here again, and for that first of all I have to change the mode. I'm just changing the mode here, and just after changing the mode, actually I am going to tell you in another videos, because it is a so much long videos. Hope you have understand and you have enjoyed this videos very much. And next time I'm just going to come you and just teach you something better than this one, how you are going to make the screens. Here just option is there, you can just make the scenes. Here you can just to choose the so much sources available, like image browser, display, game capture, many more such all things there, color source, video capture device, like you are joining the camera there, because mainly many persons are using the camera. So video capture devices is available, audio output captures is available, chat box, chat stream box, swing base, sponsor, credits, viewers, donation tickers, donation goal. So these all are available. Just I will just show you how you have to just fix this. If I'm going to click on the donation, so you can just see here it is looking like this. It is a donation. So this things is going on here. Add source, when you will show the add source, you will just going to to see the add source when you are going to add the source. So here one thing is more, just you have to mention the title here to date of set goal, you have to just mention here. This is a with HTML CSS is there, and this is how much frame you are going to use there, but I am just doing the cancel here because recently I have no plan for it. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this donation one. I have to go and remove it. Okay, I have just removed it. Next, I think I am thinking just I have to make the donation tickers. So I have just like this one is going to donation tickers, it will show like this. So this is also a best thing here. So for that I have to do what, just I'm going to tell you, add a source, no, just I am going to just for the explanation only, just I'm going to show you that all things, and there is a many more things. Event list is there, it is looking like this. Viewer count is there, it's look like this. Credit is there, it is like we see here, credit sponsor, thanks for spending, sponsor range is there, member goal is there, instant reply is there, and is the Streamlab is there, media share is there, spinning wheel is there, it is going to look like this. Stream boss is there, and jar is there, chat box is there, it is looking like this, it is going on. Subscription goal is there, alert essentials are there. These all are the things which is be in all these systems. It's a very wonderful software, and many things are there which you can be able to just do everything here. And after all, I am just canceling this, and from next video I am going to show you many exacting feature which I have not told you. This one, there is a very small tricks are there, that how you have to make such all things be innovative, like how you are just going to just get the knowledge, how to use it, how you are able to work for this plan. So this is a very best platform here that I am showing you something more. At last, this is your themes. If you can be able to make your themes, change the themes, you can just choose this also, but I am not interested. I am interested in myself just, but you can be able to choose anyone. It is a notification window, you can just able to just see the notification window, that is also which kind of notification you are detecting here, like a replay buffer is going to see in here. This all such things here you are going to be see here. So first of all, may I tell you one thing here, if you want to be have a plan to just put the something be just giving the donation and something about the subscriber, you want to display such all things. So for that I have just also, may I tell you one thing, for that it is a very easily, there is no problem. For that you have to go in the dashboard. You are looking here dashboard, yeah, you have to click the dashboard. When you are clicking the dashboard, so this is the features which is very best feature, it is giving by the Streamlab, that is a live dashboard. Here you can see this is a live dashboard. Here everything is going to teach in this board as like a bar graph. If your any donation is coming, subscriber is coming, member is coming, super chat is going on, super chat revenue is if it is just looking here, so everything is going to be here. If you want to think that I want to just set up the example that how donation example is, so for that I am just going to tell you one thing. Just you have to go in the setting here, example I am just telling you here, account setting is there, yeah, this is the YouTube account setting, shared access is there, integration is there, API setting is there. These all are the settings here. Donation history, let me talk about the donation history. So in donation history, top donors, banned donors, all things are there, is available is there, and more something features I am going to tell you here. In setting we just go again, and here it is this URL to your type page where viewer can send your donation. So if the user want to send the donation, so for that I have to do what, I have to customize it here. So customize it's here means I have to just mention this thing in the Streamlab. So how it is possible, just I am telling you that first of all I have to customize here, that how I want to just make the money here. So you can just see here, it is the my page here, my YouTube channel account page. After all I have to publish it, but for publishing it at least I have $12, because in $12 it's important, because then only I can be able to just, if you just see here, I have just saved here, but I am just going to open that link, so it's look like this. Just see here how it's going to look like this when the any users will open, so he can just found here like this. So this is thing is there, it is be look like this. Here you have to donate something if it is feeling better. So such all things is there. And after all, may I tell you one thing here after closing this. First of all, if you are going to start that, so you have to publish here, and on publishing you have to be pay at least $12 month. That is a custom band website and tips. That thing is there. One thing is more here. One thing is I'm going to tell you that if you have just made this, so there are your tips where you have to share domain. So let's see here, if it is my dashboard, so here I have to make the stream option. Here is a card option is there. In card, video promoter channel, encourage viewer to participate in poll, link not available, link to approved website. Here is the option of video playlist channel poll. In poll, just I am choosing questions, you are certified with our YouTube or not. Such all things are available here. And in cards you can just able to just join the channel promotion also of other YouTube channel. And I'm going to tell you something more about this. Just watching and you are watching me, that's a very fine things. Thank you for all. If you are new, just subscribe my channel. You have a chance your PayPal email to this, and these are all the this notification I'm going to get here. And one thing more is I'm going to tell you, that is a very important things. I will just going to show you just easily. You are going to just show it. Yeah, again I have to go in my test source here, and from there I have to choose this browser source, and here this is the donation. It is a donation goal actually. So for donation goal you can just see here, if I'm choosing the donation goal, or this one is best. Okay, if I'm choosing the ad source, so donation tickers, please enter the name of that source. So I'm just putting the source here. If I'm just putting the source here, ad source, so let I see what source I'm just going to see here. So that is you can just see here amount that is coming here, that there is a source, amounts, back draws, and many more. But first of all, let's see how it is working. I just have click on that schedule, and when I'm just clicking on that, so how it is looking, I have to just see it again. So I don't think so it is looking here something. Basically for that I have go to in the filter again, and in filter I have to choose no here not, just sorry. And for that I have to just first of all just I am deleting this one, removing, where is remove option is there. Okay, just I am removing this. Again I am going to just again in simple source pet species, in screen I am just coming here. It is a alert box is there. In alert box I am going just adding source here. Please enter the name of source. I have just mentioned the ad source. In ad source, let's see what is there. Yeah, it is there. Donations is there, mercury is there, super chat is there, subscriber members is there. So in just add alert is there. When you're going to add alert, you just have to choose the add donation. You can just see here add donation. So for that or donation,